Hey everybody, this is Ryan. I'm going to be giving you a quick overview of this medical cooler. A little bit different than a regular cooler or thermos. This is a medical grade. Now, do your own due diligence, but I'm going to give you some details about this, what all it holds, what all it comes with. So first thing to note is the area inside, like how much space do you have? So you got about 2.7 inches this way, and then you have about 9 inches deep. 2.7, 8.9. So that can kind of give you an idea of the space. Some cool things that it does come with is a cold gel bottle, coolers, like a little, almost like an ice pack. And that slips perfectly in there, just like that. Almost like it was made to go in there, which it was. It was. So you have that. That comes with it. It also comes with a sort of a rubber base. This will go in the bottom. And so when you're, needing to put stuff in there, because the whole entire inside this is stainless steel, 302 stainless steel to be exact. So you have the outside here, which is kind of a rugged material. It does come with a hand strap for holding, and then it does come with a lid, screws on, and it is in place. It also comes with I call it like a high grade thermometer, so you can have that in there. It also has a protective cover that it comes with that can be removed, and then it also has a protective travel bag like this. So if you're needing to like maintain the temperature of whatever you have in here that's really important, you have this to kind of accompany you in making sure that that temperature is maintained. It does come with a travel case that is also insulated. Very cool. This is sort of like a rugged type material. Unzips, it fits in there nice and neat, and you're good to go. It does come with a shoulder strap that's adjustable, and it does have a little keychain fob that is removable if you want to use that. Then you have the outside pouch here. So if you want to store stuff here, then you have a netted pouch here as well. This zips up. This all zips up nice and neat. So from a capacity standpoint, this is about 18 individual syringes. To kind of show like there's just a good bit of space in there. Everything from like pens, syringes, anything that you need to keep cold. That 2.7 by 8.9 inches kind of gives you an idea. And there's plenty of space if I want to put this chiller box in there. There's still space to do that. So another thing to call out is why this one is a little bit different. So this is not like a standard thermos. So from some insulation specs on it, if the ambient temperature where this is located is, let's just say 100 degrees Fahrenheit, this thing will maintain a temperature anywhere from 36 to 46 degrees Fahrenheit for up to 29 hours. So needing to take a flight or go somewhere and you need something that's going to fit in this and it's going to maintain that temperature, kind of gives you an idea. If the temperature was lower, like let's just say, closer to like 79 degrees, that's the ambient temperature. This thing will maintain 36 to 46 for up to like 34 hours. And then up to like 58 hours, it can kind of eventually take to get up to the ambient temperature. So a very long period of time, and that's due to the insulation qualities of this. And it comes with this, which is also insulated. So, you're good to go. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me, said, Ryan, can you give us a little tutorial, a little overview on your thoughts on our medical cooler? Hopefully any and all of your questions got answered, and we'll talk to you soon.